If you've ever tried shopping for solar panels, you know how overwhelming it gets. 400 watts, 440 watts, PERC, TOPCon, bifacial, half-cut, it sounds like a foreign language. So today, we're cutting through all of that noise. I'm Tanya from A1 Solar Store and I've picked the top 5 solar panels in the 400 to 460 watt range. Panels that actually make sense for real people, real budget and real homes. Whether you are a first-time buyer trying to figure out where to start, or you already know a thing or two about solar and want to make sure you are getting the best value, this list is for you. We're going to keep it simple, no jargon, no fluff, just 5 panels, honest reasons why they made the cut, and exactly who each one is right for. Let's get into it. First, what's actually inside a solar panel? Before we get to the list, let me explain one thing real quick, because it'll help you understand why certain panels are better than others. All solar panels look pretty much the same from the outside. The magic is in the cell, the tiny silicon chips inside the panel that actually convert sunlight into electricity. And right now there are 3 main types you'll see on the market. Number 1, PERC. This is the technology that's been around the longest, and it's still everywhere. It's reliable, well tested, and the most affordable of the 3. Think of it as the tried and true option. Nothing flashy, but it does the job well. Number 2, TOPCon. This is the new mainstream. TOPCon panels are more efficient, perform better in low light and heat, and last longer. Most top manufacturers have switched to it. It costs a bit more than PERC, but not by much, and you get noticeably better performance for the extra dollars. Number 3, HJT. This is the premium tier. Heterojunction technology, don't worry about the name, basically layers 2 different types of silicon together to squeeze out maximum efficiency. It's the most expensive, but it's also the most powerful and durable technology available right now. So PERC is your reliable classic, TOPCon is your smart upgrade, and HJT is the top of the line. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Here are my top 5 solar panels in the 400 to 460 watt range, and I'll tell you exactly who each one is the best for. Number 5, Q-Cells 410 PERC, the Buy American panel. Q-Cells is one of the most recognized names in solar. Installers love them, homeowners trust them. This particular panel is assembled right here in the United States, which means it qualifies for the domestic content bonus under the Inflation Reduction Act. It's a PERC panel, so solid and reliable technology. Great efficiency for the price point. Who is this for? If you're working with an installer, want a name brand panel and want to maximize your federal incentives, this one checks all the boxes. Number 4, Aptus Solar 460 PERC bifacial. 460 watts from a PERC panel is impressive. Most PERC panels top out around 440 watts, so Aptus is squeezing extra power out of proven technology. And because it's bifacial, it generates electricity from both the front and the back. So if you are mounting it on a light-colored roof or ground mounting it, and you are picking up bonus energy from reflected sunlight underneath, who is this for? Anyone with limited roof space who wants to maximize output without jumping to a pricier TOPCon panel. More watts per panel means fewer panels on your roof. Number 3, GA Solar 440 watt TOPCon all black bifacial. GA Solar is one of the top 3 solar manufacturers in the world by volume. These panels are in hundreds of thousands of installations globally. And this 440 watt TOPCon all black bifacial panel, under $200. TOPCon technology, bifacial, all black aesthetics. At that price, nothing else comes close. It performs better in heat, better in shade, and lasts longer than any PERC panel. Who is this for? The smart shopper. If you want modern N-type technology without paying a premium, this is your panel. Especially popular with DIYers and homeowners doing their own research. Number 2. Canadian Solar 440-watt TOPCon all black. Canadian Solar has been in business for over 20 years and consistently makes Bloomberg's Tier 1 list. That's the industry's gold standard for manufacturer reliability and bankability. When installers and commercial developers need panels they can stake their reputation on, Canadian Solar is always in the conversation. This 440-watt TOPCon all-black panel delivers excellent efficiency, a sleek look, and the kind of long-term reliability that makes financiers and warranty departments happy. Who is this for? Homeowners who want the best quality and brand peace of mind. Also a top pick for commercial and industrial projects where bankability matters. Number 1. REC 460-watt HJT all-black bifacial. Yes, it costs more. And it's worth every penny, if your situation calls for it. REC is a Norwegian company with over 25 years in the solar industry. Their HJT panels use a completely different cell structure that delivers the highest efficiency, the best performance in both high heat and low light, and the lowest degradation over time. In plain English, these panels produce more electricity day one and they keep producing more electricity 25 years from now compared to anything else on this list. 460 watts bifacial all black. This is as good as solar panels get right now. Who is this for? Homeowners with limited roof space who need maximum output. Anyone who wants to install once and forget about it for decades. And anyone who just wants the absolute best. Full stop. So, there you have it. 5 panels, 3 technologies, every budget covered. Let's do a quick recap. If you want a reliable and affordable, Q-Cells 410 PERC or Aptus Solar 460 PERC bifacial. If you want the smart upgrade, GA Solar 440 for the best value or Canadian Solar 440 TOPCon if brand reputation matters to you. And if you want the absolute best technology available right now, REC 460-watt HJT. No compromises. Whatever your budget, whatever your roof, there is a panel on this list that is right for you. If you want to dig deeper into any of these specs, pricing, availability, head over to aegonsolarstore.com. We carry all 5 and our team is there to help you figure out exactly what you need for your specific setup. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.